This is number 7 of the Chapter 8 homework set. The question reads, two objects are connected by a light string passing over a light frictionless pulley as shown in figure P 8.7. The object of mass 5 kilograms is released from rest. Using the isolated system model, A, determine the speed of the 3 kilogram object just as the 5 kilogram object hits the ground. B, find the maximum height to which the 3 kilogram object rises. Here's a picture of the scenario described above. And first, we need to determine the speed of mass 1 as it hits the ground. So we first find the energy, the total mechanical energy of the system, which is the potential gravitational energy of mass 1 at the very start, 5 kilograms times gravity times change in height, which is 4 meters, because we define the ground to be 0 meters. Next, our energy at the time that this mass 1 hits the ground is going to be the gravitational potential energy of mass 2 and the kinetic energy of both mass 2 and mass 1 at that particular time. And we know that they are the same because they're connected by the string. So the kinetic energy is 1/2 3 plus 5 kilograms, mass 1 plus mass 2, times v squared, and we're solving for v. And then the gravitational energy is 3 kilograms times gravity times 4 meters, which is equal to the total system mechanical energy, 5 kilograms times gravity times 4 meters. We solve for velocity and get 4.43 meters per second. Next, we are asked to find the maximum height of m2. So over here, we're given the speed of m2 when it reaches 4 meters. From this time, it involves something like a free fall motion. So all of the kinetic energy is converted into gravitational potential energy at the very top of its movement, because the velocity becomes 0 and then it starts to fall again. So here our kinetic energy we first calculate to be at 4 meters of height, 1/2 times 3 kilograms times the velocity that we found above, and we get that to be 29.4 joules. And then we set this equal to the gravitational potential energy, and we find the height is equal to 1 meter. So then our maximum height is equal to 4 meters, which is what it was before, plus that 1 meter where it goes like in a free fall motion, and that makes it 5 meters.